me, nothing beats the ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. It has been my go-to moisturiser for such a long time now.
The first time I used the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, it was at a launch for beauty editors, and I took out a little bit on my finger and I put it on the back of my hand, and I just thought, I'm in love.
My mum's obsessed with it, my aunt uses it as well, and they repeat buy it all the time, which makes me so happy because I know how great this pot of cream is.
I've been so impressed with this cream. When I use it, my skin feels really hydrated, supple, and it erases all my dryness.
And I just love the sort of silky, almost gel-like texture of this, and it felt very quenching and nourishing on my skin, but not heavy.
And makeup just looks so incredible on top of it.
So I'm absolutely in love with this cream.
Always come back to the Marine Cream. I'll always come back to my trusty Pro-Collagen pot.
This amazing dream skincare product that I adore.
And now it has SPF 30. Can my favourite moisturiser get any better?